There's nothing better than waking up to money in your pocket. But on the flip side, there is nothing worse than your business seeing no money coming in the door and watching your business dreams slowly disappear. And as a marketing expert who's generated hundreds of thousands of dollars online for my own business, I want to keep your dreams alive with no BS 10x revenue guide. Phase 1, the Omnichannel Method. What does it mean to be omnichannel? At its core, omnichannel marketing is all about creating a consistent and integrated customer experience across various platforms, whether it's social media or email marketing or SEO or PPC ads or even your physical store. The goal is to ensure that your brand message is cohesive no matter where your customers interact with you. But why should you as a business owner consider implementing an omni-channel strategy? Well, let's talk about it. In today's digital world, customers have more options than ever before. They are on social media, they read emails, they search on Google, they watch YouTube videos, and they visit physical stores. If your business is only visible on one or two of these platforms, you're missing out a huge portion of potential customers. Think about it this way. Imagine you're running a coffee shop. You have a fantastic Instagram page with a stunning photos of your lattes and pastries, but you're not active on Google Maps and your website is outdated and not SEO friendly. Now a customer finds you on Instagram and loves your vibe, and when they search for you in Google or search for your directions in Google Maps, they can't find you. They get frustrated. They might choose another coffee shop instead. This is a lost opportunity right there. A great example of a business successfully using an omnichannel approach is Starbucks. They have their apps, social media, email campaigns, in-store experience, and website all sync together to provide a seamless experience to their customers, and they make their customers like a loyal fan. They can order their coffee from their app, pay using their Starbucks card, pick up in store without waiting in line, and earn rewards all at the same time. This kind of integration keeps customers coming back. So how do you get started with omnichannel marketing? Here are 3 simple steps. Step 1, understand your customer's journey. Map out how your customers interact with your brand from start to the finish. Identify the key touch points where you can engage them. Step 2, choose the right channels. Not all channels are right for every business. Focus on where your customers spend their time mostly. For example, if your target audience is younger, you might prioritize Instagram or TikTok and YouTube. If they are professionals, say LinkedIn and email marketing might be more effective for them. Step 3, create consistent messaging. Ensure that your brand's voice, visuals, and messages are uniform across all the platforms. This creates a seamless experience that builds trust and recognition. And remember, omni-channel marketing isn't just about being present on multiple social media platforms. It's about being present in a way that's meaningful and valuable to your customers. It's about creating an experience that feels connected and cohesive. Phase 2, the POV method, point of view method, to improve your customer's journey. Understanding your customer's journey from their point of view. This is called the POV method, and if you're not already using it, you are missing out on a huge opportunity to optimize your marketing and retention strategies. Understanding your customer's journey is so important. Simply put, without knowing the exact steps a prospect takes to become your customer, you will miss a critical gaps in your marketing strategy. These gaps could mean missed opportunity, missed leads, or turning out the warm lead to lead a lost revenue, or worse, losing your customers to a competitor. Think of it this way: if you don't understand the steps a customer takes to find your product, consider it, and finally make a purchase, how can you effectively guide them? It's like asking someone to navigate a maze blindfolded. You need to not only understand their journey but also it out and document it for your team so that they understand what's your customers' journey's touch points. So how can business owners improve their customer journey? The answer lies in focusing on two main phases. Once a prospect becomes a customer, that's where you acquire a customer. So once you understand a travel of customers' journey, like where do they search, what do they search, what is their pain point, where do they do research, where all they hang out in social media, and once they search, what do they prefer, how your product can fit their needs. Do you need to offer a demo or a trial period or something like that for customer to understand? Then move the prospect to your customer. Then once a prospect becomes a customer, your job isn't done. It's only just begun. Retention is just as important, or in fact it's even more than important than acquiring a customer. Acquiring a new customer can cost 5 times more than retaining an existing one. So let's talk about some strategies you can use to enhance the customer journey and keep them coming back to you. Personalization. Customers love a unique experience tailored just for them. This could be as simple as personalized email marketing or as advanced like website experience that adopts based on their browsing history. Not everybody can go that fancy, but the more personal you can make the interaction, the more valued your customers will feel. Another powerful strategy is cross-selling. This involves offering additional products or services that complement what your customers have already purchased. For instance, if someone buys a camera from you, why not suggest lenses or a camera bag or a tripod stand or a mic? Not only does this improve their experience by offering something they might genuinely need, but it also boosts your revenue. It's a win-win situation. Now let's address a common mistake business owners often make when managing their customer journey. So to truly master the POV method, you need to step into your customer's shoes, understanding their pain points, needs, and desires at every stage of their journey. Map it out, refine it, and remember that the journey doesn't end at the purchase. It extends into a long-term relationship. Phase 3, Customer Lifetime Value, or CLV for short. We are talking about the loyalty method and why understanding this one metric can skyrocket your revenue. So what exactly is Customer Lifetime Value, or CLV? It is a metric that represents the total revenue a single customer can generate for your business over the entire time they remain a customer. Time and time again, I see business owners focusing heavily on profits, revenue, and even expenses and acquiring new customers, spending on marketing. But here's the kicker: very few actually pay attention to the customer lifetime value. And that, my friend, is a huge missed opportunity, because CLV isn't just a number, it's a powerful tool that helps you to understand the true value each customer brings to your business. And trust me, once you understand this, your approach to business strategy will never be the same. Why should you care about the customer lifetime value? Well, neglecting CLV is one of the easiest ways to stifle your revenue growth. Here's why. If you don't understand how much a customer is worth over their lifetime with your business, how can you effectively strategize your marketing and sales efforts? How do you know? How do you budget it? How much to spend on marketing of a customer acquisition? For example, if you know that a customer on an average brings in $1,000 over 3 years, you can make more informed decisions about how much you're willing to acquire on that customer. You can also identify which products or services have the highest leverage within your business. In short, understanding CLV can help you better predict revenue generation, optimize your marketing spend, and ultimately grow your business faster. Now let's get to the good stuff. How can you increase your customer lifetime value? Here are some proven tactics that can help boost your CLV and in turn your revenue as well. Subscriptions. This is one of the most effective ways to increase CLV when customers subscribe to a product or services. They are committing to a longer relationship with your business. This not only ensures recurring revenue but also fosters loyalty and engagement. Loyalty programs, these are particularly effective for e-commerce business or even any brick and mortar business. Like by rewarding customers for repeat purchase, you encourage them to keep coming back. Points, discounts, exclusive offers, these perks can significantly enhance customer retention and increase their lifetime value. Next important thing which a lot of business is missing is community building. This might mean creating a YouTube channel, a Facebook group, or even an online forum. At Growth IQ, we offer a Growth IQ community which helps the business to build their own community. When customers feel like they are part of a community, they are more likely to stay engaged with your brand and become loyal advocates. And a strong community can create a powerful network that keeps customers around for longer. By focusing on these tactics, you are not just selling a product or service, you are building a relationship, and those relationships are what drive the long-term growth and of course profitability. One big mistake is to underestimate the importance of maintaining a quality interactions over time. For example, in my own business, I have learned the hard way that focusing solely on the immediate sale without nurturing the customer relationship can lead to high churn rates. Quality engagement over quality engagement is crucial. Don't sacrifice that for like short-term gains. So if you want to truly grow your business, shift your focus from just immediate profits to understanding and enhancing your customer lifetime value. Think long-term and build lasting relationships. Remember, happy customers stick around, spend more, and bring their friends along for the ride. Now, if you like this video, you will definitely want to check out exactly how I would learn digital marketing from scratch. So don't forget to click the link and watch the video there. See you all in the next. Until then, stay inspired. Thank you.